Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, you can support our channel in a few ways. Please like and subscribe. You can go to 22halomedia.com and subscribe to our newsletter and never miss out on the latest tips, articles, and videos. There's also going to be some affiliate links in the YouTube description. That is for Northwest Registered Agent. You can form an LLC, corporation, nonprofit, and stay compliant. They have tools for your registered agent service, for mail forwarding, virtual office, a trademark service. You can get your EIN through them. Next sponsor will actually be for name.com, and they have a bunch of great products. They're a domain registrar. You can get your domain through them. And they also offer different hosting options. They have WordPress hosting, which is $30 a year, and one-click installation, unlimited storage, unlimited bandwidth, free daily backups, theme and plugin support, and a free Let's Encrypt SSL certificate. And then finally, we have the WordFence security plugin. You can get a free account through them to protect your WordPress website, but with premium starting at $100, you don't have to wait 30 days for their full firewall rules and malware signature database.